The Mercedes W205, also known as the C-Class 2014 to 2021, is a popular choice among car enthusiasts, blending luxury, performance, and modern technology. It stands out for its stylish design, smooth handling, and cutting-edge features, making it a favorite in the luxury sedan category. However, even a refined vehicle like the W205 has its share of issues that owners need to be aware of. From minor inconveniences to more serious problems, understanding these common issues can help you stay prepared and maintain your car efficiently. Today, we're counting down the 5 most common problems W205 owners face and providing tips on how to handle them. Let's dive in. Number 5. Engine oil leaks. At number 5, we start with engine oil leaks, a fairly common issue in the Mercedes W205. Many owners have reported noticing oil spots under their parked cars or seeing the oil warning light come on unexpectedly. This problem is usually due to worn-out seals, gaskets, or even the oil filter housing. Over time, seals and gaskets can degrade, allowing oil to seep out, which not only affects engine performance, but also poses a risk of damaging engine components if not addressed promptly. Regular inspections can help detect leaks early. If you notice any signs of leakage, it's essential to have the seals or gaskets checked and replaced by a qualified mechanic. Sometimes it's as simple as tightening a loose part, but other times it may require replacing the faulty gasket altogether. It's a good idea to monitor your oil levels regularly and watch out for any unusual smells or visible drips to prevent this issue from escalating. While an oil leak might not seem like a big deal initially, ignoring it can lead to more costly repairs down the road. 4. Timing chain tensioner problems. Coming in at number 4 is the issue of timing chain tensioner problems. Timing chain tensioner problems are a notable concern in the Mercedes W205. The timing chain is essential for synchronizing the engine's components, and the tensioner ensures that the chain remains tight. However, over time, the tensioner can wear out, causing the chain to slack. This can lead to rattling or ticking noises, particularly during startup. And if left unchecked, a loose timing chain could skip a tooth or even break, leading to severe engine damage or complete failure. Early signs of a failing tensioner include a noticeable rattling or ticking sound coming from the engine when the car is started. If this noise is present, it's crucial to have the issue inspected immediately. Replacing a worn tensioner promptly can prevent further damage to the engine and avoid the risk of a costly and extensive repair. Although Mercedes has made improvements to the quality of timing chains and tensioners over the years, this issue still affects W205 models, especially those with higher mileage. Regular maintenance checks and timely replacement of worn components can help keep the engine in good condition, ensuring the chain remains tight and functional. Addressing timing chain tensioner issues early can save owners from the inconvenience and expense of a potential engine rebuild. 3. Transmission issues and jerky shifts. At number 3, transmission issues and jerky shifts are common concerns among Mercedes W205 owners. The W205 is equipped with a sophisticated automatic transmission designed for smooth, seamless shifting. However, some drivers have reported rough or delayed gear shifts, particularly noticeable when accelerating or decelerating. This can be frustrating, especially when expecting the smooth driving experience Mercedes is known for. Several factors could cause these transmission issues. Low or dirty transmission fluid is a common culprit, as it can affect how smoothly the gears shift. If you notice jerky shifts, the first step should be to check the transmission fluid level. Ensuring it is at the correct level and in good condition can often resolve the problem. Another potential cause is faulty software. Sometimes a software update from a Mercedes dealership can fix transmission issues by recalibrating the system. However, if there is more serious mechanical wear and tear within the transmission, such as a faulty valve body, more extensive repairs might be required. Regular maintenance is key to minimizing transmission problems. Changing the transmission fluid at the recommended intervals can extend the transmission's life and improve performance. Consistent servicing helps to keep the system in good condition and can prevent issues from developing. If the problem persists even after regular maintenance, it's advisable to consult a certified technician for a detailed diagnostic. Identifying and addressing transmission issues early can prevent more severe damage and ensure your W205 continues to deliver a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. 2. Suspension and control arm problems. At number 2, suspension and control arm problems are a notable issue with the Mercedes W205, affecting its renowned smooth and comfortable ride. The W205's suspension system, which includes components like control arms, bushings, and ball joints, ensures stability and comfort, but these parts can wear out over time. As they age, drivers may experience a rougher ride, accompanied by knocking or clunking noises, especially when driving over bumps or uneven surfaces. The front suspension of the W205 is particularly prone to these issues, and frequent driving on rough roads can accelerate wear and tear. When suspension parts degrade, it can lead to misalignment of the wheels, resulting in uneven tire wear and a decline in handling performance. If you notice that your W205 no longer rides smoothly, or if there are unusual sounds from the front end, these could be signs that the suspension components need attention. Replacing worn-out parts such as bushings, control arms, or shocks can restore the smooth, comfortable driving experience that Mercedes owners expect. Although repairs can be costly, they are essential for maintaining both safety and comfort. Regular maintenance and inspections, especially for vehicles driven on uneven terrain, can help catch these issues early, preventing more serious problems and expensive repairs. By keeping the suspension system in good condition, W205 owners can ensure a longer-lasting and smoother driving experience. 1. Electrical issues and infotainment glitches. Finally, at number 1, we address one of the most frustrating issues for W205 owners: electrical problems and infotainment glitches. Modern luxury cars are loaded with advanced technology, and the W205 is no different. While features like the Command Infotainment System, Advanced Driver Assist Systems, and digital displays make the W205 a pleasure to drive, they also mean there are more components that can malfunction. Owners have reported issues ranging from malfunctioning screens, non-responsive controls, and unpairable Bluetooth devices to more serious problems like faulty sensors and warning lights that come on without reason. Electrical gremlins can be tricky to diagnose, as they might not always cause a visible or audible issue. A weak battery or faulty wiring can cause sporadic problems, leading to headaches for the driver. If you experience these glitches, the first step is to try a reset of the infotainment system. Sometimes, simply rebooting the software can resolve minor issues. For persistent electrical problems, it's best to have the vehicle inspected by a professional. Dealerships can run diagnostics to pinpoint the source of the problem, whether it's a software bug or a hardware fault. Keeping the vehicle's software updated is also crucial, as Mercedes frequently releases updates that address known bugs and improve system performance. The Mercedes W205 C-Class remains a highly desirable car, known for its luxury, style, and performance. However, like any vehicle, it's not without its issues. By understanding these common problems, from oil leaks and transmission concerns to electrical glitches, you can be better prepared to handle them and ensure your car stays in top condition. Regular maintenance, timely repairs, and addressing issues as they arise can help you enjoy a smooth and reliable driving experience with your W205. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. We regularly provide insights, tips, and guides to help you get the most out of your vehicle. Stay tuned for more automotive content, and thanks for watching.